So in this video, let us learn a bit in more detail about cover art. We have already seen how we can upload cover art with the help of an image in Paint, but specifically here, we are going to talk about introducing some brand design and image element into it and making sure that our cover art is going to attract people. In the previous video where I have shown it, I have done it through in a very simple manner, but if we want to actually have people getting attracted to our channel and have them subscribe across, we need to have a kind of cover art which speaks about our product and service in depth. And there is a famous saying that an image speaks 1,000 words. So we should, as a marketer, as a video blogger, make sure that our cover art on our YouTube channel is talking about it very precisely. So let's see through how we can do that. As I had said, you could go ahead and do a search for YouTube channel art creator. You'll be finding various websites with the help of which you can create the cover art or channel art. I'll select the first one named through as photor.com, and as soon as it loads, there is this particular button known as Get Started, which will take us to an interface of Photor where we can select certain images, enter certain text, make changes, and then get a ready cover art or channel art picture which we can upload to our website. So let's go ahead and create that. Few points to remember in this element would be that we should select a particular image which is in line with the product or service which we are selling. Like if we are selling clothes or accessories related to fashion, this particular first image would have been useful for us. Or if we are going ahead and selling probably some electronics related or some technology related product or service, this second banner could be useful to us. If we scroll here on the screen, there are various set of ready designs from which we can select depending on what we like through. So in relation with the channel we have created, which is about helping people regarding technology, this image could be suitable for the same. Thus, I'll go ahead and past selecting the image, click into the text area and change it according to the name of my channel, that is Techno Help. Herein, if I am having some set of slogan or some kind of tagline for my brand, I could also include the same. So let me do that. So here I have added a tagline, but the size of it is exceeding the corners which are there. Thus, I'll go on to this font tab and decrease the size through some value so as it could fit in the lines of what we are looking forward at. So let's see the best set of sizing possible and fit it in the box available to us. So here I have edited the font size and even edited the text, and now I have my banner or my channel art or cover art picture which is ready. Once I am done with that, I have the save button at the top. I'll go ahead and click that. Once that is done, I'll name my file. Past naming it, I'll save across it. Once it has been saved, I'll upload it on my YouTube channel. So here on my channel page, I'll click the edit icon at the top and say edit channel art. There it will ask me to upload a new image. I'll select the image we have created through the tool. Then it will show me how the image will look through. Once I am done with it, I'll go ahead and click on select. Then the image would be saved and I'll be able to see the same. So this is the process of actually creating a complete cover art. Similarly, let us also edit the logo out here. For doing that, when we click on the edit link, it will take us to the About Me brand page of this channel, because at the start we have associated it with a brand account. When I click on edit, I'll be seeing that page. So to change it, either I can upload a new image or I could go ahead and select any previous image. So let me upload another image from here, and now let us crop it so as it fixes the required size. So here I have done the selection of the required size, and past that we'll click on done, and then I'll be seeing that icon out here. Once I have changed it on my brand page here, within some time it should also appear on this particular area. There is some time lag for that icon to appear out here, but within some time we should be done through with the same. So this is the process of adding an innovative and brand related cover art picture to your YouTube channel. Thanks for your time. See you at the other side.